In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all the tasks assigned to team members in Asana. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and keep track of who's doing what in your projects. So, let's dive right into it and make sure you're getting the most out of Asana's features. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the search bar located at the top of your Asana interface. This is your gateway to finding exactly what you need. After clicking the search bar, look for the descending horizontal lines, which indicate the advanced search feature. Clicking here will open up a variety of search options, giving you more control over your query and ensuring you can narrow down to specific criteria. Now, in the section labeled Assigned To, go ahead and enter the names of the team members whose tasks you wish to view. You can type in the names of multiple members if you're interested in overseeing tasks for more than one person at a time. This capability is particularly useful if you're managing a team or collaborating with several people and need an overview of who's responsible for what. Make sure you set the type of search to task, since our aim is to find tasks, and not projects or other elements. This part is crucial because it filters the search results to only show tasks, which is exactly what we want. Once you're satisfied with your search criteria, go ahead and click Search, and voila! You will see a list of all the tasks assigned to the team members you've specified. This view will give you a clear picture of the workload in progress, helping you stay informed and efficient. Moving on to the top right corner, you'll find an option to sort these tasks. Click on Sort and choose Assignee. This feature is incredibly handy as it separates the tasks into sections based on who they are assigned to, making it a breeze to scan through the task list and see each person's assignments clearly laid out. If you find yourself frequently checking up on these task assignments, it's a good idea to save this view. You can do this by clicking on the star icon at the top left of the screen. This adds the search to your favorites, letting you return to this customized view at any time without having to set everything up again from scratch. It's a significant time saver when managing ongoing projects. And there you have it. Everything you need to efficiently view and manage tasks assigned to your team members in Asana. By leveraging these search and sort features, you can maintain a clear overview of your projects and ensure everything is on track smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy task managing.